this video, I'm going to show you 2 delicious and easy gluten-free lunches you can take on the go. So maybe you're going to work and you want some easy lunch you can take with you, or maybe you just want to make your life working at home easier and make double the amount of this delicious recipe and have throughout the week. So, my name is Melissa and I'm the nutritionist and health coach for foodies. And in this video, I'm going to show you a really yummy chicken salad with a tahini garlic parmesan dressing with eggs, so it's high protein and it's a good way of getting all your vegetables in, like cucumber salad, tomato. And in another recipe, I'm going to show you a really good butternut squash, so perfect in the autumn season, and it's very creamy and rich with this, it's got harissa in it for that little bit of spice, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's be deliciously transformed. So for the chicken salad recipe, we're going to start by frying the 1 breast of chicken, sliced up and pan fried in a little bit of olive oil, and you can season it at this point. At the same time, I want you to bring a pan of water, boil it and put in 2 eggs and let it boil for 12 minutes. Whilst the water is boiling, I want you to whisk 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of warm water, a squeeze of lemon juice and 1 chopped garlic with a sprinkle of parmesan, around 2 teaspoons. Whisk this in a bowl. Once the eggs are cooked, drain the water and start peeling the eggs. You can put it under cold water so you don't burn your hands. Just chop up your favourite ingredients. I've gone for some sweet cherry tomatoes, half a cucumber chopped and some lettuce. And when you've done, just assemble it all on a plate with lettuce, cucumber, tomato, put the eggs, chicken and tahini sauce all over, and it's so good. It doesn't taste boring or healthy. The tahini dressing really brings a lot of flavour to it. So for the second gluten-free recipe, the butternut and harissa dip, set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and on a large baking tray, add 500 grams of frozen cubed butternut squash to make your life so much easier. Add 3 garlic cloves unpeeled and a drizzle of olive oil and roast it for 40 minutes until tender. Whilst it's cooking, you can start adding the other ingredients. So in a blender, add 2 tablespoons of tahini paste, 2 tablespoons of harissa paste. I've used an apricot harissa paste, and 100 grams of yogurt. Mine is a bio live yogurt with added cultures, so it's good for our gut bacteria. When the butternut squash is done, you can then add that along with the garlic to the blender and blend until it forms a nice thick dip. Add to a bowl and juice a bit of lemon on top, and you can add some toasted mixies as well for that dose of healthy fat, and add some fresh coriander on top and serve with your favourite vegetable sticks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you love nutritious, delicious meals, then you will really enjoy my meal plan subscription, where I send you a brand new meal plan with the shopping list every Friday morning. It's how I stay healthy and in shape, and I'd love it if you come and join with me. Link is in the bio below. You can go and check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.